I can be it. I will beat it. There are some things in life you don't need to degree for it. You don't need no money for it. You don't need no support for it. There are some things in life you just gonna get through when you tell yourself, I'm gonna get through this. The circumstances of the situation you are passing through, who said that you can struggle a little bit? It's just not your time yet to get to the best level in your life. It's not your time yet to have that success story. Who said that you can't stumble? Do you realize that your best stories are the ones that you jump from? Because that's when you know there is something good about you. There is something special about you. There is something unique about you. I'm going to lose some battles, but I'm not done. Push through it to get stronger, to get